front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll all the way down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down again to hit More Security and Privacy section. And finally, after picking out of your service from Google, you can access Google Password Manager. Now to edit any password from your manager, click on it and enter your screen lock. Then hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!